How to cancel your order. On Vinted. Open the Vinted app or website on your device and sign into your account using your email and password. Go to your profile section and open the messages area where your order conversations appear. Find the conversation that is connected to the order you want to cancel and open it. Check the order information shown in the conversation to make sure it is the correct purchase. Tap on the order details section that appears near the top of the chat screen. Scroll down through the available options related to the order settings. Select the option that allows you to cancel the order from the list of actions. Wait for the app to open the cancellation confirmation page. Choose a reason that explains why you want to cancel the order. Add a short message if the app allows you to provide more details. Submit the cancellation request to send it through the system. Wait for the order status to update and confirm that the order has been canceled in your account. Thank you for watching.